Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2013 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLE trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting into your truck. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking in the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three, and in the center you have fold-out armrest with two cup holders, as well as, I believe, two more cup holders right here, so that's always nice. And then the seats do fold completely up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put back here. And you have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And now looking in the front, we have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. So now sitting in the truck with it running, I should mention it does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to start your truck or warm it up. And it's sitting at 92,642 kilometers. But moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise control buttons. And then if I can find them, here are the buttons to adjust what is displayed on your little info screen here, such as, let's see, your trip mileage, your fuel range, your fuel economy, digital speedometer, trip timer, and transmission temperature, fuel economy. Then you can also look at your tire pressures, trailer gain, engine hours, and other settings for your truck. And to the left of the steering wheel, you have your trailer brake down here, lighting controls. But moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is, let's see if I can, we have a radio, but what are our other options? That's just, I would assume you also have CD, auxiliary, possibly Bluetooth, if I can kind of adjust through here. Does not have Sirius. But then down here you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto, and you also have your climate controls here with dual climate, so you and your front passenger can stay at different temperatures and be happy. Then you also have a 12 volt here and a USB, so you can plug in something to charge or power. You have a little cubby here too, and your traction control shut off. Then you do also have a little compartment here, that's an ashtray, not that you have to use it. Do also have another compartment above your glove box, which is always nice. Extra storage is cool. But moving on to your center console now, where you have 3 cup holders and your compartment, which is pretty spacious, as you can see. And then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall. And then I believe, yes, there is another lockable compartment underneath that. So you have plenty of storage in this truck, and you even have another 12 volt power outlet in there, so that's cool. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.